Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can reset your iPhone. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? First and foremost, you want to go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to search for general. It's going to be right under your the notification panel thingy. So once you're in general, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll see shutdown, and right above shutdown is going to be transfer or reset iPhone. So if you're transferring to another iPhone, this option is very useful. And if you're just resetting, you're going to come here and then you want to press on reset, and then you want to select reset all settings. Now I don't want to reset all settings, so I'm just going to press on cancel. But once you press on reset on all settings, it's going to ask you for like a verification. So if you got that face Apple ID or a password, you just want to type that in, and that's going to be about it. After that, your phone should start the reset procedure. So I hope that's about it. Honestly, there's nothing more to it. Once your phone is reset, everything will go back to default, just the way it came in the box, like a brand new iPhone. And yeah, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.